Hello guys, I am Hitesh Tripathi and this is editorial video for problem C Kill the Monster from Educational Code versus Round 122 rated for Div 2. So, Kill the Monster. Monocap is playing a computer game. In this game, his character fights different monsters. A fight between a character and a monster goes as follows. This is like self-understood. Character will be having health HC and attack DC, attacking power. Monster will be having HM and attacking power DM. Now, fight consists of several steps. Firstly, character will attack, then monster will attack, then again character, then again monster. And in every attack, they will decrease each other's health by DC and DM and so on. The fight ends when someone health become non-positive, like 0 or less, obvious. If the monster health become non-positive, the character wins, otherwise monster wins. Monocap character currently has health equal to HC and attack equals to DC. He wants to slay a monster with health equal to HM and equal to attack equal to DM. Before the fight, Monocap can spend K coins to upgrade his character's weapon and or armor. Each upgrade can exactly cost 1 coin. Each weapon upgrade increases the character's attack by W and each armor upgrade increases the character's health by A. So basically Monocap has K coins and he can use all those coins to increase his character's health and his armor's like attacking power. Okay, can Monocap character slay the monster if Monocap spends on upgrading optimally? Okay, so basically what we have to simply check whether Monocap will be able to defend the monster or not. Okay, fine. So we have total K coins. So it is self-understood that Monocap will be obviously using all the coins. Okay, because we don't have to minimize number of coins used by Monocap. Okay, so Monocap will be definitely using all the coins to upgrade his power and weapons health, to upgrade his health and weapons power. Okay, he'll be using all the coins. Now in the last statement you can check that can Monocap character slay the monster if Monocap spends coins on upgrades optimally. Okay, so we simply have to check what will be the optimal upgrade to defend the monster. Okay, and if that optimal upgrade even exists or not. So how are we going to check that? Firstly, let's just see the constraints that we have to use long log for programming, for coding. Okay, and second thing you can see that variable k has less constraints than other variables, that is 2 into 10 is 5. Okay, so somewhat we can go for O of k and O of k log k. Okay, fine. Now simple सा question है, we have four values in total and we have a total number of k coins. Okay, and we have to check whether Monocap, how many coins will be used by Monocap to upgrade his weapons power and to upgrade his character's health. Okay, so suppose in any case, since I already told you that the most optimal way will be that Monocap will use all k coins in upgradation. Okay, because we don't have to minimize or maximize something, so obviously he will be going to use all k coins. So suppose Monocap use I coins to upgrade his weapons health, that is you can say D of C. Okay, I coins to upgrade his DC, and then DC will become DC plus I into that variable, that is W. Okay, and so all other coins will be used, that is k minus I coins will be used to upgrade his health, and after that his health will be simply HC plus k minus I multiply A. Okay, fine. So now after upgradation, Monocap's health will be somewhere D dash and H dash. Okay, now we have Monocap's health and weapons power, and we have monster health and weapon power. Question is quite simple. What we have to simply check, firstly Monocap will attack, then monster, here is character and here is monster, then again character, then again monster. Okay, and then again character, then again monster. One thing we can see that if suppose, let's just suppose, after n attacks, after total n attacks, the fight ended. Okay, after total n attacks the fight ended. Okay, so अब ये फाइट जब भी एंड होगी तो इधर ये जीरो हो जाएगा, इधर ये जीरो हो जाएगा. ठीक है, वी हैव टू सिंपली चेक कि जब भी फाइट एंड हो ये जीरो हो, मोनोकाप की जो हेल्थ है वो जीरो हो. ठीक है, वो सपोज हमने जैसे अज्यूम किया कि एन अटैक्स के बाद, तो ऑब्वियसली इफ हेल्थ ऑफ मॉन्स्टर इज एच एम, ओके, आफ्टर एन अटैक्स हिज हेल्थ विल बिकम, एक अटैक में कितने पावर से डिक्रीज करेगा, डी डैश से. ओके, डी डैश से अगर एक अटैक में डिक्रीज करेगा तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ अटैक्स जो तुम्हारे कैरेक्टर को और मोनोकाप को चाहिए, दैट विल बी सिंपली इक्वल्स टू एच एम बाई डी. ओके, एच एम बाई डी, और यू कैन से इफ एच एम इज divisible by d dash, it will be hm by d, otherwise it will be hm by d plus 1. Okay, and that is, you can write it like this: hm modulo d does not is equals to does not is equals to 0. If it is, so it will simply add 1 to it. Okay, so this will be the total number of attacks monocarp will need to break the monster or to kill the monster. Okay, in the same way we can find out total number of attacks monster will be needing to kill the monocarp. Okay, and that will be simply equals to health of character upon power of weapon of monster, that will be dm, and again this thing, that is if it is divisible nothing, if it is not divisible plus 1. सपोज हेल्थ उसकी है 20. ओके, एंड जो मेरी वेपन की पावर है वो है 3. तो ऑब्वियसली आफ्टर 6 अटैक्स जब मैं हेल्थ 18 डिक्रीज कर चुका हूँ, 2 हेल्थ और बच जाएगी, एंड फॉर दैट दिस वन इज एडेड फॉर 1 मोर अटैक. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ अटैक्स बाय मॉन्स्टर ये होंगे, नंबर ऑफ अटैक्स बाय मोनोकाप ये होंगे. वी हैव टू सिंपली चेक इफ जो मोनोकाप अटैक्स कर रहा है वो कम लग रहे हैं, इट मीन्स suppose you are the monster and I am monocarp, I am attacking you, then again you attacked me, I am attacking you, then again you attacked me. Okay, so if they are equal, it means कि 3 अटैक मॉन्स्टर ने किए, 3 अटैक मोनोकाप ने किए, एंड आफ्टर दैट फाइट एंडेड. ओके, आफ्टर दैट फाइट एंडेड वी कैन सिंपली से दैट यहाँ पे जो मॉन्स्टर है उसकी 0 हो गई होगी, एंड दैट्स वाई मोनोकाप डिड नॉट अटैक्ड अगेन. ओके, एंड इफ मॉन्स्टर्स के जो अटैक हैं वो मोनोकाप के अटैक से ज़्यादा हैं, इट मीन्स मोनोकाप को ज़्यादा अटैक चाहिए. सॉरी, इफ मॉन्स्टर के जो अटैक हैं वो मोनोकाप के अटैक से ज़्यादा हैं, इट मीन्स मॉन्स्टर को ज़्यादा अटैक चाहिए मोनोकाप को किल करने के लिए. इन दैट केस ऑल्सो वी कैन से दैट आवर आंसर इज येस, बिकॉज मोनोकाप विल किल द मॉन्स्टर इन लेस नंबर ऑफ अटैक्स. ओके, सो सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. लेट्स जस्ट सी दिस. Now one more thing, how are we going to decide value of I? For that we can simply see that value of k is less, 2 into 10 is 5, so we can iterate in from 0 to k for value of I, and I will simply update the answer with yes. In any case if I will be getting a yes, I will simply break from here, वो मेरा ऑप्टिमल आंसर हो जाएगा. सिंस मुझे कोई भी मिनिमाइजेशन एंड मैक्सिमाइजेशन नहीं करना, तो मैं सिंपली ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ के में इटरेट करूंगा, एंड मुझे कहीं भी ऑप्टिमल वैल्यू मिल गई मैं वहीं पे अपना ब्रेक कर दूंगा लूप. ओके, so here's the solution. I took all the inputs and f is equals to 0, then kWA, and simply iterated from 0 to k. अब new health of monocarp will be I into A plus H1, and new weapons power will be k minus I into W plus D1. Simply need of monster, need of number of attacks monocarp by monocarp. ठीक है, वो simply कितने हो जाएंगे? If S2 modulo D is equals to 0, तो S2 modulo D, otherwise S2 mod by D plus 1. And attack needed by monster, it will be simply equals to H by D2. If modulo 0 है तो इतने, वरना plus 1. If need is less than or equals to attack, simply print yes, otherwise print a no. Okay, so I hope this is also fine approach. Since this is an educational round, I cannot tell whether I have missed some edge case or not. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. And for further editorial, that is editorial of problem D, like this video, subscribe this channel, and thank you guys for watching.